Hello, and welcome to the segment where I'm going to show you how to do some basic search strategies. Every year, your teacher assigns you things where you have to find more information on a topic. And how do you go about doing that? Well, I'd like to help you out with that. Where do you begin when you're given a research topic? Do you immediately go to Wikipedia, Google, ask around from friends? Well, all of those resources can give you some information. It could be biased, it could be flat out incorrect, and if you choose the smart way, you should go to the library because we have a lot of resources and we can help you find what's accurate and what's most specific and answers your question. The first thing you have to do is to develop a line of inquiry. That means you're going to develop some questions. Any topic, what interests you about your assignment? You need to begin with what you know and ask yourself what it is that you want to know. You're developing the questions that will help guide your inquiry. Usually we start off with some pretty basic questions, when did something happen? Who did it happen to? Why did it happen? What were the effects? How does it affect us today? From those questions, you will find some keywords, and those keywords will help you on your search. When you get to the library, you sign in and log on to the Destiny catalog here. And as you can see by the red arrow, I want you to go beyond your basic searching and go to power searching. So you click on that power tab. Once you're there, we have a screen that allows you to use Boolean words, and, or, and not. For this slide, we're going to talk about the words and or. The topic I chose to make an example of is World War II. So my keyword is World War II, and then I clicked the button for and then I used another keyword, Japanese, and then I clicked on a Boolean word or, and then my last keyword was Jews. So, World War II and Japanese or Jews. Now, we click search to see what happens. Using the Boolean words and or will yield a lot of results for you. In this case, there were 149 results for the key terms World War II and Japanese or Jews. Let's try a different tactic. Another Boolean term is the word not, and it focuses your search. Using the same three key terms, World War II and Japanese, not Jews. So my focus is not going to be on the Jewish Holocaust that happened in Europe. Now I am asking about the Japanese experience. Click search, and you will find we have a lot less results. We have 10 results instead of 149. That means I have 10 resources within the library in print that have to do with the Japanese experience. Another source that we have right on our Destiny is Destiny Discover, and we have databases that you can reach through Destiny Discover. Let me show you how that's done. When you are in Destiny Classic, you simply click over in the left-hand bar for Destiny Discover. Once you are there, you enter your search topic, World War II, at the top. Click the search button. And this database happens to be Fact Monster. You come down to World War II, and you can click on World War II here. I could have clicked any of them. Once you've chosen that, you will find that that part of the database opens up and gives you more resources. Each of these bullet points are hyperlinks to articles and encyclopedic information on World War II. So you would be able to glean more information from these resources. If you look here, we even have, in this particular bullet point, the U.S. joined the Allies to fight the Axis powers after the U.S. forces were attacked by the Japanese at Pearl Harbor. Since my focus was going to be on the Japanese experience, I might click here because I saw my keyword Japanese in the bullet point. I hope that today's lesson is helpful. If you have any more questions, please come and talk to me at the reference desk. I can't wait to see what you search for next.